Hello students, in the previous video session we discussed about the definition of communication and elements of communication, and we discussed one method, verbal communication. So now we are going to discuss pros of verbal communication and cons of verbal communication. Means what are the advantages of verbal communication. So first advantage is it is very faster way of communication because it is a face to face communication. That's why it's a faster way of communication, and the response received is very fast. Why response received is very fast? Because someone is standing in front of me, so response also it will be very quickly, so that's why. And the scope of seeking clarification is greater. Clarification also will be more greater, and you can include fifth point, it is flexible and effective for all. It is very flexible and effective for all. So these 4 points you can do बच्चे. Faster way of communication, response received is very fast, and clarification is more greater, and it is very reliable and flexible and effective for all. So these many points you can do. And next are the disadvantages of verbal communication. So one first disadvantage you can say, emotions are visible and hence lead to trouble in certain cases. How emotions are visible? Because somebody is standing or sitting in front of me, so emotions also will be visible because that person is standing. So emotions are visible and lead to trouble in certain cases. And it has issues when communicating with distant people. Sometimes it can create issues when we communicate with the distant people who is far from here. So it is difficult for certain people to understand speech due to various speech tones used in verbal communication. So due to your speech tone it can create problem, and it can be easily forgotten. इसको हम जल्दी भूल सकते हैं, so it can be quickly forgotten. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of verbal. Next is a non-verbal communication. So what is the definition of non-verbal communication? This communication is, we can say, without words. You have to use only your face expression, your body language, your posture. So this is a non-verbal communication where you can't use your words. You can't use your oral or written communication. Here you have to indicate with your face expressions, your and body language. So students, let's see the diagram. In between non-verbal communication, then expressions, gestures, paralanguage, touch, space, eye contact and posture. All these are examples of non-verbal communication. Here you can see, here they have, here is explained expression, posture, gestures, eye contact, touch, space and paralanguage. These all are the different types of non-verbal communication. So बच्चे, next is what are the advantages of verbal communication. Advantage बच्चे, you can say easy presentation. Suppose you can't give your use your own words, you can't use your spoken words, so what you will do? You will go for your presentation, attractive presentation you can say. When you have to explain something to anybody, then how you will explain? So you can use your visual, audio visual ads. Means in non-verbal communication you can give the your attractive and easy presentation. Here one more point is there, attractive presentation and easy presentation. So these are the important points. Next, reducing wastage of time. This message of non-verbal communication reached the receiver very fast. For this reason, it reduces the wastage of valuable time of the communicator. ये आपका बच्चे wastage of time को भी reduce करती है. अगर आप quickly easy presentation को watch करते हो, so ये क्या करती है? It reducing the wastage of time. So what are the disadvantages of non-verbal communication? Cultural difference and no rules you can say. Cultural difference means every culture uses non-verbal communication and they have their way of communicating that can be different from ours. बच्चे every person have his own culture, so it can be different, it can be not we can say can, different होता ही है वो. So उसमें क्या है, there is a lot of difference between one people and another people. So next is no rules. Non-verbal communication do not follow any rules like other communication. Therefore, people can unconsciously engage in non-verbal movements. Example, some people have a habit of shaking a leg while talking. So clear बच्चे, these are the disadvantages of non-verbal communication. And the last method is visual communication. Visual means, here you can see these all are the symbols and signs. Here charts are drawing, TV ads, videos. Here you can see. So all these are the example of visual communication. So visual communication is communication through the use of visual aids. In visual communication बच्चे, we can include visual aids. Which kind of, like traffic symbols, signs for ladies and gents toilet, signs for no smoking, signs for no sound area, sign for flammable objects, signs for no mobile area, expressions, hand gestures, models, posters, images, graphs, chart. So all these are example of visual aids. बच्चे आप देखते होंगे कि जहाँ पे आप जाते हो टॉयलेट्स में, वन साइड इज़ लेडीज़, वन साइड इज़ जेंट्स. सो अगर बाहर वहाँ पे सिंबल ना हो तो फिर हाउ यू विल जज कि इट्स अ लेडीज़ टॉयलेट और जेंट्स टॉयलेट. सो दिस इज़ अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ विजुअल एड्स. आपको देख के पता लगता है. सो नो स्मोकिंग, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो if you will see the visual aid, then you are able to judge कि no smoking or no mobile area. So these all are the example of visual aids. So students, you please revise these 2 points at home, and next points we will do at next video session. So goodbye बच्चे.